Hello everyone. It's a partly cloudy day, turning into more cloudy. It is Saturday, the 18th, yeah. Anyway, we're going to have an Arctic blast next week, and Miracle will not get to go out for a while. So we've had a nice walk in the woods, did a live stream, we're making some videos. So, oh, there it goes. Look, you want to go walking, Miracle? Well, let's go walking. Come on. Let's not go that way. Let's go this way, Miracle. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Here he is. Here comes Miracle. There he is. There's Miracles. Let's go for a walk. Make the circle, okay? Okay? I might have to make videos of the outside cats or something like that, but yeah, any videos y'all see of Miracle will be older ones. It's going to be cold for several days. Miracle does not like to go outside in the cold. It is like 62 here now, but the temperature is going to plummet. So me and Miracle are enjoying our time out. Aren't we, Miracles? It was very sunny. Now the clouds are moving in. That's okay. We don't have those shadows and glare from the sun. It's actually better quality video, I've noticed, on a day that's not super sunny. It does make you have to be careful how you shoot and the camera. Miracle, you want to go into the woods here? Let's go this way today, Miracle. We already went the other side. Let's go this side. Yeah, we just came earlier from back there. Did our live stream. Now we're going back to the house. Miracle did run back to the house, but I went and got him. I said, we gotta make videos, Miracle. We have to make videos. Let's walk. Yeah, say hello to everybody. Don't be so fussy. You like walking through here, Miracle? Do you want to come back here and get on these logs over here? You like those? You have a good time back there? Come on. Let's go back there. That'd be different. We've only been back there a few times. Let's do something different. Here. What you see, Mimi? Whoopsie. There you go. There goes Miracle. There he goes. Let's see if he wants to get on that log there. What's in there is interesting, Miracles. Let's go do some climbing. Climbing. Did y'all see that leap? Oh my God, that's so cute. Well, we just can't get better than that. That was so totally adorable. Thank you, Miracle. I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I truly appreciate it.